Gnarled, exploring the twisted beauty of language. Imagine an ancient oak tree, its trunk twisted and knotted, bark deeply furrowed, branches contorted into fantastic shapes. This tree embodies the essence of our word for today, gnarled. Word type. Gnarled is an adjective, meaning gnarled describes something, typically a tree or wood, that is knobbly, twisted, and weathered. It can also refer to hands or fingers that are bent and misshapen, often due to age or arthritis. In a more figurative sense, gnarled can describe something complex, intricate, or difficult to unravel. Word history. The word gnarled has its roots in Middle English. It is derived from the word gnar, meaning a knot in wood, which itself comes from the Old English gnairn, meaning to grind or gnash. The addition of the ed suffix transformed it into an adjective describing the state of being full of knots or twists. Antonyms. Some antonyms for gnarled include smooth, straight, unbent, and sleek. Synonyms. Synonyms for gnarled include twisted, knotted, gnarty, gnarly, contorted, and distorted. Examples used in sentences. The gnarled branches of the ancient olive grove cast eerie shadows in the moonlight. His gnarled hands, testament to years of manual labor, gently cradled the delicate orchid. The detective found herself entangled in a gnarled web of deceit and misdirection as she investigated the case. The gnarled roots of the mangrove trees created an intricate ecosystem teeming with marine life. Common errors in use. One common error is confusing gnarled with the slang term gnarly. While gnarly can mean knotty or twisted like gnarled, it has additional informal meanings such as excellent or intense. Another mistake is using gnarled to describe only negative qualities. While often associated with age or hardship, gnarled can also convey a sense of character, resilience, or beauty, especially in nature. Gnarled is a vivid, expressive word that adds depth and texture to descriptions. Its ability to evoke strong visual imagery and its versatility in both literal and metaphorical contexts make it a valuable addition to your advanced English vocabulary. By mastering words like gnarled, you demonstrate a nuanced command of language, essential for achieving top scores in IELTS and other high-level English assessments.